Hello and welcome to the Simple Novice Profits members area. My name is Vincent. I created the course. I do have a partner. His name is John. I'm not real familiar with WordPress, so John is the technical guy behind everything. I just thought I should mention him. Um, in this video, I just want to give a quick overview of the course. I'm not really going to get into exactly how to navigate it. We'll do that in the second video, which is right below this one. Um, in this video, again, I want to say a sincere thank you. I seriously mean that. I appreciate every one of you guys that are here. I'm going to give a quick overview. I just want to read through this paragraph real quick. Um, just make sure that when you first get onto a page, you might have to give the videos a few minutes to, a few seconds, 30 seconds, a minute to load. If you just go right to the page and play, then they're going to be buffering, and that's annoying. Nobody likes that. So one way to avoid that would just be to give the page a little time to load. If you have a slow connection and you're having issues, you might want to play the video and then pause the video. Allow the buffering to catch up and then come back, and it should play, straight through. Um, I also wanted to mention that there is a lot of information in this course, a ton of information, but I don't want you guys to get turned off by the amount of information. I don't want you to think that you have to know all this stuff and you have to learn all of this stuff before you can get started. As promised in the sales letter, one of the great features of this system is that you really can start making money right away. And we set it up so that the methods are in order, easiest first. You really can start making money right away. It's a step-by-step process like anything else, and you're going to need information as you go. But that doesn't mean you need it all just to get started. So you can get started making money, and then, as you're making money, you learn as you go. So please don't be intimidated by the amount of information. You will have to learn, you will have to work. Nothing is going to be handed to you, obviously, but I just don't want you to get discouraged and think that it's going to take you 5 years to learn this stuff before you can even get started. You can get started right away. And again, we'll discuss more of that in the next video. Right now, I just want to take you guys through the navigation bar up here. The way that you go about the course, the way that you go through everything, it will depend a little bit on your experience level. If you're brand new and, all of this stuff is like a completely different language to you, then there is a certain process roadmap, if you will, that you should follow. If you already sell services or you've been in internet marketing for a while, then this course is your playground. You really don't, you can go whatever, you can check everything out, and then whatever you think is going to work best for you, you can get right into that. If you're fairly new, you should follow the process. Regardless of your experience level, I think everyone should read that main report first, which is the first link on the navigation page up here, main PDF report. This report is going to explain how everything works. A lot like this video, it's going to give an overview, but it'll give a more detailed overview. It'll explain, the best way to go about running this business, exactly what we're trying to accomplish, how we're trying to accomplish it. So this is something you should definitely check out first, this main PDF report. The first method that we're going to go over is selling services on eBay. Selling services on eBay is a great way to get started, mainly because once your stuff is listed there, it's pretty much an autopilot method. Once your stuff is listed and up and getting traffic, hopefully making sales, you really don't have much to do there. So it's a great place to start because you could list all your services and then move on to the other methods. So while your stuff is listed on eBay, then you can then go on to method 2. Method 2 is Freelancer, and Freelancer is a little bit more of a manual process, because on Freelancer you're going to join, and then you're going to actually look through the jobs that are available, and we're going to bid those jobs. So it's a little bit more of a manual process. So again, while your stuff is listed on eBay, you can then go to Freelancer, and you'll be killing two birds with one stone. Method 3, we're going to talk about the internet marketing forums. Probably going to be the most profitable method. But this is going to take a little experience before you jump into this, because the forums are really tight-knit communities. Your reputation and the feedback that you get is going to be crucial to your success. So I don't think you should rush into it, get in over your head, and potentially ruin your reputation before you even get started. So that's why we chose to make that the final method. Final method should be taken with a grain of salt, because we give a ton of other ways that you can make money. These are just the three main methods, but we do give a bunch of other strategies and stuff that you can use. This outsourcing package page, we put together a few. You can see SEO package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then some video packages. This stuff is just pretty much to get you started. In case you are brand new and you really don't know what to sell, those are packages that I've sold myself, that they sell really well. Members, our current members are selling them. Everyone is selling them well. They continue to sell well. So those will get you started. But again, as you go, as you learn, you'll figure out what works best for you. You'll be able to interchange those, change price points, and come up with your own stuff as well. The next level of arbitrage, I actually talk about a tool. I won't get into it here, just check it out. This is just something for when you're already making money with the main methods, and you're ready to, to branch out and employ an extra method. Then you can check out this next level of arbitrage page. The SEO evaluation page, this is something that we use. It's a great little strategy to one, to build a list of interested clients, and two, it's a great way to close sales on the first, to close sales right away, on your first try. It's a really simple process. It's a 4-step process. A couple of tools are needed. I give you everything you need. Everything is free. It's a really good place to get started. For one, you're gonna build a list of contacts, and for two, you're gonna, it's gonna result in instant sales, which is always great. Customer service is something that I talk about a lot. It's really, really, really important. You'll get some customer service information on this page. I gave you a few FAQs that, again, if you're new and you're getting certain questions from customers that you really don't know how to answer, I gave you a bunch of questions that you might run into, and just in case you get stumped by a question, you could just, check out this file, and the question might be on there with an answer for you. If it's not on that file and you need help, you could always reach me on the support forum, me or John, and I think you'll be really impressed and happy with the level of support that we provide. You'll always be able to get us in a timely manner, and we'll always do whatever we can to help you and make sure that you're successful with this. Free SEO tools and more. This is just some tools that I use myself, some extras that you can use in order to make more money. Private label rights, I give you a few reports when you're ready to, if you are ever ready to create a website and drive traffic and build a list. These private label rights stuff will help you. They're reports that you can give away for free as opt-in incentive if you want to do a squeeze page and offer people reports for free in exchange for their email address. You could use these reports for that. PayPal, I explain how to set up payment buttons for PayPal. I also discuss how to create professional invoices with PayPal. You're going to need PayPal for Freelancer and eBay, and I use invoices a lot. It's really professional. You can, personalize them for your clients. So I also discuss that. There's also another video, it wasn't done by me, but it explains how you can set up payment buttons on outside websites, not on your website, whether the forums or whatever. Extras, I give you a few methods for getting traffic to your eBay listings, getting traffic to your own website if you have one or you create one. And I also explain how you can make really nice image ads for eBay or Craigslist or the forums if you want to go the extra mile and create nice ads that stand out. Most people will do text ads on eBay, So a great way to stand out is to do image ads, and the software that I show you how to use, it's a free download. It's the easiest software. It's an HTML program. It's drag and drop. It's super easy to use. You can check out those videos on this page. Affiliates, if you guys want to promote the course, you can. And again, the support form is here. Anything you need, please don't hesitate to ask. Again, I think you'll be very happy with the level of support that we provide. So, you know, don't be ashamed if you think it may be a silly question. We've all been there. I'm encouraging you to reach out for any time you need to. Anytime you feel unsure about something, again, even if you think it may be silly or don't feel like that, please. Our main thing here is we want you to succeed above all else. So anything I can do to help, I'm happy to help. Don't hesitate to use the support form. Again, in the next video, we'll actually open up all these tabs and we'll go through everything. I'll explain, if you're new, where you should start, how you should start, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.